Hello ma'am, I am here to make my project work of OBT and the topic which I had chosen was Diwali decorative items such as Diwali lamp and Diwali diyo. Now I am going to start on my video. I'm using some colorful papers, beads, glittery kind of stuffs, glitter papers and glue, scales, pencils and so on. I'm cutting red colorful paper to make round shapes for diyo. Now I'm going to cut the circles. Now I'm folding those circles into smaller pieces. Now from the middle part of it I'm going to put glue on all of these circles which I had folded. I'm sticking all of them together. After it dried, now I'm going to stick it like that and make the shape. Now for the fire like that, we are going to cut it from the paper first to be easy and cut it with glitter paper afterward. That shape and stick it in that previous one which we made. First of all, for making paper lantern, I will measure it and now glue it and make cylinder shape. I'm using colorful papers and cut them. Now I'm going to take one of these piece of paper and I'm going to stick it like that and stick the glitter paper to make it more prettier in that cylinder kind of shape which we had cut earlier. We're going to stick all of this in a pattern row one by one till the end. We are going to do the same process for the blue one also. I have cut it a long strip of brown glitter paper and now I'm cutting red one, and I'm in red one I'm cutting in square shape and I will make it all in same kind of shape and size and stick it all around this cylinder shape which we had made. The last step, now I'm going to take two colors paper and stick it together. I'm going to cut them into strip shapes and that's the result. I'm going to stick it like this into the incomplete lantern lamp nicely. This is the final result of diyo. So it's like this. This is the result of the lamp. Thank you ma'am, hope you like my project work and happy Diwali.